So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video we will be discussing about CG Power share. So CG Power, we know that today it has shown some weakness and it has closed near 61 rupees level. So when we discussed previously, that is last week, near 55 rupees level, so our midterm targets were 65 plus, but later from there it has shown little correction because in market volatility was present, so little profit booking was also seen. So what would be the best entry again? So we'll discuss that, and also we'll try to find out the next possible targets. So tomorrow again it is a holiday on account of Mahashivratri. So again on Friday markets will run as usual. Okay, so before discussing about the volume analysis, so make sure you join the Telegram group as well. And also, if you have any doubts regarding any share, you can message me personally in Instagram as well. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So you can clarify all your doubts regarding any share, or if you want any positional stocks, I will tell you stocks which may give some good returns according to your capital and risk reward. So if you see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 9th March we have seen considerable deliverable quantities have increased, and the traded quantity which was present earlier as we compare with weekly and monthly averages, so that has consequently decreased. So that is very good. So when deliveries are increasing and traded quantity is decreasing, so obviously the stock also will show some positive movement. But because in market we are seeing little selling pressure is present, not only in CG Power, almost every stock we have seen little correction was seen. So that's why it has sustained that 61 rupees level without any major downfall. So again, when to enter and all, so everything will discuss. So now let's see what the indicators suggesting, and then we'll switch out to the technical charts. Okay, so if we see momentum wise, we have seen some continuous bullishness in the stock. It may be majorly because from the management side, when we have discussed about CG Power, we have seen the insider deals. So okay, what are the various insider deals? How the management they are adding on regular basis without any selling. So 50,000 shares, 60,000 shares on every dip they are adding. So that's why the market it has sustained without any downfall. So results wise, we know that it has not posted any profits right now. Even though it has losses, the management is trying to add more and more amount so that it can sustain in the market. So once financials also will improve, ultimately the stock also, it will be balanced financial wise, management wise, so future will be present. So that is one thing you need to keep in mind. So if indicators wise, if we see two indicators, RSI and money flow index, so you can see money flow index is near 81.5 and RSI is near 74. So money flow index 81 implies overbought region, RSI 74, so that is also overbought region. But basically money flow index is showing some more, we can say it is in the overbought region, so not in mid range as well. So that's why it has corrected little bit. So small pullback happens and again it retraces and goes up. So that is not a big deal. So when majorly it depends upon market situation. So first thing is that when market situation is in little negative or downtrend, ultimately stock also shows some correction. Okay, so next when we see returns wise, so you can see 1 week it has given almost 6.96% return, 1 month 31.13%, 3 months 32.54, 6 months 180% returns, and 1 year you can see almost 1000% returns have been given. So in long time frame it has not given that returns. So currently it's in the ongoing process, it's continuing its uptrend journey. So what are the major hurdles for it? Already I told you. So one is financials, so that should be improved on regular basis, so then only it can continue that momentum in full swing. So let me quickly recap the insider deals that happened. So I told you Archana Radheshyam Swamy. Okay, they have bought almost 50,000 shares on 23rd February. So that was updated on March 1st, 2021. So current holding, you can see almost 50,000 shares are present. So one by one from the management they're adding this particular stock. So market was transaction type. Okay, so we're back on to the technical chart. So this is the one day chart of CG Power. So you can see currently it's near 61.50, and you can see today almost 0.57% downtrend was seen. Okay, so if you see the chart pattern, so clearly you can see whenever it goes up, it takes a break, it consolidates for a certain period of time, again it goes up, again it consolidates. So here the strict support is 60 rupees, so you can take this as a very good support, 60, and after that would be, what is that major support? 57 is one major thing, and 60. So if you want to have a fresh entry, if you want to buy the shares, better to add near 57 and 60 rupees. So this would be the range that you can enter, and immediate targets would be 65 plus. Okay, 65 plus would be the immediate targets. So best entry would be near, the zone is 57 and 60. So in that particular zone you can enter. So no stock goes continuously upward, right? So it goes up, it halts, again it goes up. So that is what CG Power basically follows. So money flow index wise, generally it trades in overbought region only. So never ever completely it goes to oversold. So when the management power is present, either when it goes to overbought, slightly it comes down, again it retraces, again it goes up. Okay, so when we see in 1 week chart, so in 1 week chart also we have seen this one is the 200-day exponential moving average. So where it was facing little resistance earlier, not now, earlier it was facing resistance, you can see here. So where when it has retraced, when it has given breakout, so that is when it has started its new journey. So whenever I also tell, whenever you're keeping any moving average like 200-day moving average, so wait for the complete closing. So closing is very important. Don't see that it is breaking, that means it will continue that journey. So you can see it has gone up, but the next candle opening was not seen there. So next candle close, this one is there, right? So that closing should be present. So then only you can confirm that okay, the stock is in uptrend. So that is what we have seen here as well. So now it may move little sideways. Okay, little sideways may be present. So I told now 57 to 60, those would be the buying regions. So after that again it will break the 65 rupees, and then it will start its new journey. So try to accumulate in a good quantity wise. Don't do any selling if you are holding for long term as well. Okay, so further if you have any doubts, you can message me in the comment section. So until then, take care. Bye bye.